Welcome to the world of premium motorhome travel, where engineering meets elegance, where every mile feels like home, and where 2026 brings a new icon to the road. Today, on RV World Reviews, we explore the brand new Adria Supersonic 2026, one of the most luxurious motorhomes of the year. Built on Mercedes-Benz, crafted like a yacht, and designed for travelers who want the best. Let's begin. The 2026 Supersonic brings several upgrades: a redesigned suspension for smoother highway travel, a new insulation package for better temperature control, upgraded solar and battery options for off-grid living, refreshed interior finishes, and enhanced onboard smart systems. This isn't just an update. It's a refinement of a masterpiece. Clean automotive lines, striking LED headlights, and that signature silver metallic finish, blending perfectly with the Mercedes chassis. Every detail feels engineered with purpose. A wide 650mm habitation door with hidden hinges, electrically operated heated mirrors, a central service box for quick utilities access, a double-floor design for insulation and hidden storage, a large 150-liter fresh water tank, an optional awning and sleek side profile. On the road or parked at a campsite, the Supersonic looks like a luxury yacht on wheels. Step into the cockpit, and you immediately forget you're in a motorhome, because you're sitting in a Mercedes-Benz driving environment. A full digital dashboard, a large infotainment screen, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and advanced safety systems. The steering is light. The suspension feels more refined than ever before, even on broken or uneven roads. The 2026 model maintains stability and comfort. This is an RV for people who love driving. For 2026, Adria offers multiple floor plans. Layout A, the Family Edition. 2 extra beds, more storage, and flexible seating. Layout B, the Couples Edition. A luxury-focused space with a larger bedroom. Layout C, the Premium Work Plus Travel Edition. Includes a small office corner, extra wardrobe space, and a larger fridge. Each model delivers a full-time living experience, but with its own personality to match different travelers. The living area is modern, open, and beautifully designed. Soft ambient LED lights glow across the room. Premium upholstery on the seats. A spacious dining area for 2, or for the entire family. Natural light pours in through large windows. And at night, the mood lighting transforms the lounge into a peaceful, relaxing environment. Everything feels intentional, and everything feels like home. The kitchen in the 2026 Supersonic is built for real cooking. A deep stainless steel sink, a large 150-liter fridge, a major upgrade for this year. Soft close drawers with premium hinges, induction or optional gas hob, and well-organized storage for cookware and groceries. Whether you're making breakfast during a sunrise drive or preparing dinner after a long day on the road, this kitchen delivers. Step into the bedroom, and the atmosphere shifts. Warm, quiet, private. You get a full-size premium mattress, soft reading lights, overhead cabinets, USB and 12V ports, and blackout blinds for peaceful sleep. This isn't a camping setup. This is a luxury hotel room inside your vehicle. The bathroom continues the luxury theme. A separate shower cabin, a compact but functional sink, a cassette toilet with proper ventilation, cabinet storage for toiletries, and a clean, modern design. Simple, efficient, premium. The Supersonic 2026 takes smart living to a new level. A full digital control panel manages a lighting, a heating, cooling, a water systems, a battery levels, power status, a safety alerts. You can customize lighting scenes, control temperature, monitor tanks, and check your power usage, all from one panel. Technology should make life easier. And here, It truly does. The 2026 Adria Supersonic starts around. Backhand index pointing right, $260,000 to $320,000 USD, depending on floor plan and options. It's not cheap, but it is one of the most premium motorhomes available today. This RV is ideal for a full-time travelers, a couple seeking luxury, a retired travelers, a remote workers, a families exploring the world, anyone who wants hotel-level comfort on wheels. If you want the best, here it is.